All right. Good morning, everybody. Let's see. So I did wake up and I took some trades this morning, right? And I traded NXTD and SBEA. SBEA was a nice winner. NXTD was trash. It ended up going down on me. So I had to cut that loss on that one. But I made whatever I lost on NXTD back on SBEA and kind of just broke it break even just for the start of the day. I was like, you know what, I'm not even gonna play with it. But SBEA has been moving quite well today. But it looks like it's coming back down now. I was trading it around this range here. I caught this move. Good morning, Jay Kratz. Yeah, I caught this move on SBEA. Made me back my money, and then I believe I caught a little bit of this move, the breakout of this candle right here. Little bit of this move, and I went ahead and sold to get me back break even on the day. But now it looks like it has a topping tail up here for us today. So we will see what it wants to do. But SBEA and I think NXTD is gone now. I'm not even gonna worry about that one anymore. Let's see. Anything else with some good news? SBEA is another one of those SPAC mergers. So that's why I was like, well, I'm going to go ahead and get into this because I think this SPAC can move today. And it did. And it's still moving. Um, let's see, what's this news? Black Rifle it merged with a coffee company, which is kind of crazy that it's moving like this on coffee, but okay. Um, and let me see. I think that was the only good thing that I really saw today. And its other little counterparts are moving as well. SBEAU and the warrants. I forget what the U stands for. Units. Okay, so units and warrants. Those two were moving as well. But it was some nice movement there. One is $4.20 right now, and one is 15.45. So this one could get crazy today, but I don't know. Doesn't have that super duper news. I believe this is just sentiment from that other SPAC that moved. Okay, what is this? SABS. Yeah. We will see though. Over here on my Street Smart Edge is where I took my trades. Let me switch over here. And this thing is still pumping up to the moon. So I actually took took some losses on NXTD, and then I took some small losses on SBEA. It kept on kind of giving those downwards motions, and I finally got a ride off of it up to the up to my break even. So I was like, yep, I'm gonna cut it here because it's so choppy. So that's pretty much what got me back to break even, and we'll see what the open holds. We got about 15 minutes into the open, and we're gonna see what it wants to do. It was a nice little ride here. I did not take this whole trip. This thing continues to try to get up. Need to see some pullbacks now. It's just too extended now. Yeah, Lauren, I was writing a SBEA this morning. Got up and took some pre-market trades. Took SBEA and NXTD. NXTD failed on me, and so I took a little loss on that one. But SBA got me back up to break even, so I just jumped out break even. I wasn't gonna get greedy and try to ride it to the top, but it is definitely still going. We'll see how the open is though. definitely moving dollars. It can move down big as well because all it did was it merged with this Black Rifle Coffee Company to go public through a merger with Silverbox. So it's just a bunch of merger news on this SPAC. Yet it still continues to go up. Boy, boy, boy. I was in down here at the 12s and now, or wait, no. Got in here, kind of consolidated, and it kept on ripping and making those lower bottoms, so I jumped out and then got in for a little bit of this ride, but very choppy. No, I'm not in right now. I was in earlier. Very choppy. This one's, man, we got to be patient with this one. Wow, still pushing up. That's insane. I drink BRC. Oh yeah. BRC. I think you're referring to the actual drink. Finally getting a little pressure there. Finally. 15 minutes to the open and I am definitely looking to get back into this one if it can give the right setup because I do not want to get caught in a huge down failure. Yeah, Nicholas, I don't know about triple, but it's definitely moving dollars. Or was moving dollars. We'll have to see where it closes. This candle went from the 1370 up to the 1450. So yeah, each candle is about a dollar dollar move or a little less, maybe 75 cents to a dollar. I just want some good old lunch money. It's up 44%. And then let me check its other little counterparts over here. SBEW, the warrants are up to $4.65. Way cheaper. As we know, we saw in the other SPAC, DWAC, where these kept going with it. So you might want to keep these on watch too. This one's up 200% from where it started, but it's only $3. So definitely a cheaper one. And then the other one is the SBEAU, up to $16. I don't know how the volume on these two are a little bit less, but if it's gonna follow the other one, I would definitely keep an eye on those. The warrants and the units. The main ticker is SBEA, but the other two is SBEAU, which is the units, and then where'd the other one go? SBEAW with the warrants. And they have a little bit less volume, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna follow the movement of SBEA. So I will definitely be watching those as well. About 10 minutes to the bell. SBEA. And actually, let me add these over here to my watch list as well. SBEA W and SBEA U. Got about 10 minutes to the bell. All right. This thing still want to go higher? Come on, man. Pull back. Okay. And I don't see anything else that I really like. So I'm going to watch these until I'm done trading. These will probably be the only ones I watch, really, because they're the best ones. So I already got them over here on the list. SBEA, SBEAW. You'll sell at 30. Nice. Yeah, I'll be looking for that opening dip as well. So let's see how far this thing wants to dip down. These are all-time highs for it. Previous all-time highs were at the 995. What's up, One Life? Let's see what we got here. What's up, GD? Yeah, we're doing well, man. Doing well, trying to do better. This thing still wants to go a little bit. Yep. Getting very extended before the open, but this is exactly what the other SPAC did as well. Got extended and just kept going. So don't want to trade on the past knowledge. Don't want to trade on some sentiment, but still want some good entries though. If I can get one. OLB has support for MasterCard cryptocurrency processing. News today. Exclusive news on OLB here. So I'll definitely be looking at that one too. It's getting in on the MasterCard business as well. We'll see what it wants to do. It jumped up there to 870, so I put that on the list as well. OLB. MasterCard news, but I don't know if it'll be able to overshadow these other movers. We'll just have to see. OLB got that nice MasterCard news. It's up 76%. Let's see who else is up here. Yeah, that's all that I see that I like, really. All right, we'll watch these four stocks at the open. OLB has some nice news on the MasterCard, though. Got some work to do here. Up 75%. Had a high of the previous high of the, was that 7,816 level, or that should be red. That's some resistance now that it's under it. So I'm gonna be looking for a dip on OLB as well on that MasterCard news. We'll see who wins. But these four are the one. Let me bring you over here. These four are the ones that I'm watching here. We'll see. OLB. OLB. Four minutes left to the open. It's about to be party time. Three minutes to the bell. Looking, waiting, watching. I may look at OLB like later on in the week because it's just got too much competition today. Too much competition with SBEA. See what this thing wants to come back down to. 1241 could be a support. 1343 could be a support. All right, got about 30 seconds to the open, so we'll see where it dips to. 20 seconds. Market open. Will it get some sell-off here? It should. There's a little bit of bounce down. All right. Can it bounce down any more? Get down to that close to that 1340 or no? Nope. Okay. Made that lower low on the beginning, the opening candle. See where it wants to go here. Can it break this bottom of the 1397? $13.97. There's a nice little dip down there. $13.40s is its test point. OLB ended up going down as well out of the open. Okay, so it did hold up those levels there. Entered a little bit there, I think. Did I enter? Oh my gosh, did I enter? I don't even know. Thought I entered. We'll see if it once it starts calculating, I guess. Did I enter or not? Nope, I did not enter. Into a halt. Tried to catch it off that dip. Okay. This one's still trading SBAU. Just not enough volume. I think I'm just going to trade the highest volume one right now. Yeah, it was a little bit fast. I tried to enter that as well. It was a little bit fast. I thought I entered it, but didn't get a feel. We'll see how long that halt is. All right. So SBEA halted at, ooh, let's get this going over here. SBA. halted. $932 should be opening up at 937.03 for SBA. Not too interested in any of these other ones. Barely moving a whole cent. All right. Come on, SBEA. 37.03. Minute left. See, downwards moving in the other ones. So we'll see how this one opens up. About 30 seconds left. If this is a 5-minute halt. So it's open. Got in a little bit just for the push up. 25 shares. Let this thing get some reaction back to the upside. Below the 1365, I'm probably gonna have to dive. 1365s. What we got down here? The 12, the 13. 1305, I'll jump out. Give it some time to do its thing. 1275, I'm gonna go ahead and put a stop out there. If I can. There we go. 1275. Looking for those 90s to start the hold here. 1390s. 1390s. Can we see them? Added a little bit there on the 90 push. All out still at the 1275s. Can we hold those 1410s? Back to the 90s. Can we hold the 90s? See the 90s very quickly. Need to see a hold of the 90s on the bid. Add it there. 1275. Getting down to that bottom. How far will it run through that bottom? $13.50s. I like that it's holding up that 13.50. Can we hold the 13.50s? $13.25s. Need to see the 25 start to hold. $12.75. Can we see those 25 start to get a pop here? $13.15s. Adding there. 12.75 still out. Bottom low was 1184. Still looking to grab some more. You can get back up to those 15s. Adding there. Adding again. So my average cost is 14.48. Can we make any moves up? Holding those 13s. Can we start to hold at 13.10? Adding a little bit there. Need to hold the 13s. $13.10, can we see it? $13.10 on the bid. Not seeing it hold. Okay. So I'm gonna call it, let's see, where do I want to get all out here? Can we see it back over the 13s again? $13. Can we see that 13 even get approached? Adding there. $13.10, another add on the bid. Can we get it? Add it there. Entry price is the 14.15. Can we get a nice little bounce out of here? Mm-hmm. 65. Still gonna give it a little time to play. OLB did come back up, didn't it? Not interested. Okay. Can we get that 13.90 back up there? I mean, 12.90. $12.90s. $12.90 on the bid, a little bit. Can we hold the 90s? Adding there. Adding one more time there. The bottom of this is the 1250. So 1249. I'll be looking to kind of dump out of here if it doesn't want to go up. 12, I give it to 12. 1225. Can we get those 1290s to hold? Adding there at the 13. Bottom 1250, 1248. $13.10s coming back into play. Can they hold on the bid? Adding there. $12.50. Let's see if it can hold. If it can't, I'll just be out here. Can you hold up those 90s? Matter of fact, can you hold up the 1190s? Giving it some time around here again. $12.90s, a new ad. Can it hold in the 90s here? Adding there. $12.50. Can we hold and approach that 13 again? Can we break the 13s here? Adding one more time. Okay, so the bottom here is a 1248. I'll be out because it's definitely held that up a couple of times. We'll see if we can get up there. Get through that 13. Can we see the 1301s? And I will get stopped out at the bottom here, 1249. I got one more ad to do, but it's gotta hold. Gotta get going upwards. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drop that out in there if it doesn't want to hold here. It needs to get off these levels. I got one more ad to do though. We have 5 minutes left on this candle. Can we get above the 13s here? Can we find a nice little hard point? Or are they going to stop me out here? Woo, throw a wick down there. Gee whiz. I should be out. Don't know why I'm not. Go ahead and cancel that order since I somehow did not get stopped there. Can we get back above the 1250s, 1245s? I'm going to add there. Top side of this candle, high of 1350. Can we get up here? 1260s. I really don't know how I didn't get stopped there. But right now, 1167 is my out. Guess it jumped me, I guess. Sell 1167. Kind of glad it didn't stop me out there. Can we get those 1250s back up there? Not looking likely. Hmm. $12.15s. Can we see those? Yeah, this thing's got a lot of downwards momentum, looks like. Need to see it back across the 1260s before I do anything else. Leave my stop out there though. OLB halted coming down. SBEA. Okay, these other ones kind of did the same thing coming on down. So we will see. Can it get any upwards motion? Literally, I'm right here at the 1373, so not that far off. Can we start getting bought back up here? Giving it some time. Also watching these other ones, what they're doing. Are they reversing? Nope. Still doing the same thing, going down. So got to kind of be careful here. See if they'll reverse. Getting some buying pressure under here, 1225. Still not sure about it. Want to see it back over the 1250s. Definitely got a lot of sellers out of here. Waiting and watching. Looking like it's coming on down. Okay, the other ones are looking like they're getting some buying pressure to the downside as well. Can we get up off these levels? Start reversing. 1225 is what we want to see start holding. Okay. May add a little bit more. Nah, I want to see it back over 1250s before I look to add anything else. All of them are coming to a little turnaround point, possibly. We'll see what they want to do. There's a 1250. Can we start holding around here? 1260s, 70s. See it hold those 1260s. $61. We need to see some strong 60s, at least to the 65 here. Not seeing that. Everything else has started to turn around as well. Couple minutes left. There's a 65s. Okay. Add a little bit more there. And all out will be the 1168. $13.69. Green for this one would be the 1441. Let's see if we can see those 80s. Slipping back under those 1250s. See if we can find a little bottom around this 1250. $12.50, $12.60 may be an add point for me if we can get back up there. And we see those 60s start getting flashed through. $12.70. We'll wait. See those 60s coming back into play. Can it hold the 60s, 65-ish? It can. 65, just want to see that stay on the bid. Nice little hold point there. Adding a little bit more. $11.65. Average price 13.64. 60 cents up is all I need. And looking like it's gonna come on down to me. Tried to hold that point twice and failed. 60. Gotta get the 1250s to hold strong here. What's up, Dane B? 1250s. Need to see those 45s is coming on down. Okay. So 1165, I'll go ahead and jump all out and just eat this loss. You know what? 1140. But if I give it any more, I'll be losing like what, 200? $11.40. It's looking like an okay spot to be out. See if it bounces off that 75. Nope. Got me out there. Took a nice little loss right there. Oh well. Definitely was expecting a little bit more out of it. Couldn't get it. All right. So yeah, that one got stopped out on. Just could not give me what I was looking for. Let's see these realized gains and losses, and let's see this monster loss I just took. $184, $2 per share, basically. Well, that got me out all over the place, didn't it? 184, whatever. Yeah, it took some lunch money, man. Definitely took some lunch money from me. Did not. I expected just at least one test of that high. You bought my shares. Appreciate that, Nicholas. Keeping them alive. Nah, man. Yep, at this point, it's time to walk away. Let's see. Tell you what, I will trade OLBN. I will swing this one on that MasterCard news. So let me jump in with 50 shares and I'll show y'all what happens with this one, I guess, tomorrow, I guess. Yeah. Because this one has the MasterCard news. And I am quite intrigued with it. So I'm gonna take 50 and I'm gonna swing this one throughout the day. Or wait, 50? Is that right? 50. 50. Okay, 55 shares, and I swing this one throughout the day, OLB, on that MasterCard news. But those are my trades for today, and I let this one play throughout the day. Even if it comes down, it's a very low risk trade. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna play this MasterCard news on OLB today. And yeah, I am going to walk away with that entry. All right. Anyway, those are my trades for today. I know it's an early close, but I mean, what's the point? I already took the trades I'm gonna take, and I'm not gonna sit here and watch them. I'm gonna let OLB play with that and go, go, go. TOS. All right, guys. So I'll let y'all know what happens on OLB. It has the MasterCard news. They're joining the MasterCard frenzy, so I'll swing that and see where that goes, and I'll be back tomorrow morning. And let me make sure I got that I said everything that I need to say. Oh yeah, frameworkfortune.com is open. You can sign up, you can come through, drop your tips, tricks, and all of your party hats off there, and you can let us know, what you did or what you're looking at. We got plenty of things, plenty of I guess you can call them hubs that you can go into, and they're segmented into different subtopics. So you can go in there if you're into crypto, swinging, whatever you're into. There is a spot for you. Anything else? I don't think so. I'll let y'all know how OLB does. And as always, I will see you in the morning. Peace. And appreciate you, Lauren, for dropping that link. Peace out.